Hey everyone, this is David here from SheetsFinance. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to pull hundreds, if not thousands, of stock prices and end-of-day data from any date in history straight into Google Sheets using the SheetsFinance extension. It's super simple, it all runs through one function and it loads almost instantaneously. So let's jump right in. As you can see here, I have my list of symbols. I've selected symbols from all over the globe and I've mixed assets as well. So I've got American stocks, Australian stocks, Indian stocks, as well as some cryptocurrencies thrown in there as well. There's no shortage of coverage with SheetsFinance. We have over 80,000 global financial assets available to you. Once you've got SheetsFinance installed, you have access to all of our functions. So in this case, we're going to write one function and we're going to use the concept of batching to pull all the data on all the symbols at the same time. So we have the SF function, open bracket. I'm going to highlight all of the symbols that I want the data from. So that's rows 4 to 56, comma. I'm going to use the historical function. So I type historical. I'm then going to select all the metrics. And then I'm going to choose a date in history. Let's go for the 31st of March, 2023. And we have 30 plus years of history at your disposal. I'm going to close bracket and click enter. And there you have it. That is the end of day data for all of these companies or cryptocurrencies, should I say, all with one function. So we have the date, the open, high, low, close, adjusted close, and the volume figure. It's that simple. Now we can jump in, and if we want specific data, we don't want to output all. It's really straightforward. Instead of choosing all here, we could instead say we just want the close data, or perhaps close and volume. So we use the ampersand to do that, and then we just reload it. There you go. And one last example, we could get a little bit more complicated. Perhaps we now want to do the price at different intervals relative to today. So up here in cell B1, I've already run the function equals today, which is an inbuilt Google Sheets function to get today's date, which is the 25th of August, 2025. So over here, I can now get the price, for instance, the clothes price, and I can reference this cell and say today minus 5 days, and I can click enter. And let's move this down a row. And we'll call this 5 days ago. Now let's do one for 30 days ago. And we can copy this function here. We'll place it here, but now we'll do minus 30. Now let's do 1 year ago. So just 1 year ago, we will copy this function, place it here, and we will change this to 365 days. And there you go. That is now the price of all of these assets on these intervals relative to today. So 5 days ago, 30 days ago, and 1 year ago. And we're only running 3 functions in Google Sheets, and you can see the speed of the loading. So it's really easy to build complicated analyses using SheetsFinance in Google Sheets. There is comprehensive online documentation. Please feel free to jump in and have a read to get a lot more detail on how to get the most out of the extension, and also learn about all the other fantastic features we've got for financial analysis. So take your time, jump on in and enjoy. Cheers.